Let's do a rainy start on the 500. It's been raining pretty much the whole day. Still got 3 flat tires. But let's see if those wipers work at all. See if they're worth a dang. I bet you they'd work if they were cleaned up. Yeah, definitely. So my mom wants to test drive this car and the Aviator when they're both all ready to go. And she's going to pick the one that she wants. For some reason, I'm guessing she's going to pick this one because it's a car and it's nice and quiet. And it's just a cool car anyway, so. Because this one has AC and I think she'd pick it because this one's got heated seats and the Aviator doesn't. This one's got working air, the Aviator doesn't. Aviator don't even have working heat because it overheats as well. This one don't no more, but yeah. I still feel like she's going to pick this car. But if she does, it's still a good car. Those things are squeaking. But, yeah.